Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay Singh. I am currently at my farm that is 65 kilometer from Bangalore. So today in my video I am going to talk about the automation controller which I wanted to use. If I'm in Bangalore, then I can on and off the motor, and also my requirement was to maintain the valve, automated valve. So before that I had a manual valve because my motor doesn't start, it gives a lot of water, but after half an hour water gets low. So my requirement was also that like how I can control the valve through the automated system controller. So this was my requirement. So I was searching for a different vendor, and finally I landed to Anagha Automation, which is a product which offer a product called Kisan Ganga. So that product basically used for controller. You can use a controller to on the machine, but at the same time you can also control the valve, which I am going to explain one by one. Now I am going to show you the different electrical valve which I got from Flow. So I'm going to show you the my electrical valve. So I'm going to explain you the little bit system, how the system works at high level, and also little bit high level I will talk about the connection, and then my electrician will talk little bit more detail about the connection. So stay tuned to see that how things works actually, and I will also show the valve and so on and so forth. Here if you see that my main power is coming from here, and then this is my center point for my motor. So I am going there, and if you see that this is the product, you can see that like Kisan Ganga from Anagha Automation. So if you see that like we are passing the adapter power to the Kisan Ganga, and then Kisan Ganga product has a small adapter. So the current comes from here and it goes here, and then from there it comes here. So all the wiring, how it works actually. And this is my most motor actually from Miko. You can see that like from Miko company. This motor basically I used for on and off. So somehow that Kisan Ganga has to give the direction or indicate that this machine actually, this motor. So if you see the wiring about that, so here is the current and it comes here, from here it is coming. So all those wiring part is here, and then from there you can see the main wire, it go to the main here, and from this one, and then here is a on and off behind the Miko motor controller, and then also we have connected the wire here in this main window. So this is how it is working, and all those controller wiring is coming also, all those valve wiring is also coming from here. Now you can see this. So I have kept the system also manual system where I can manually maintain, and then you have a valve system here. You can see that valve. So in valve there are two wires. One is a main wire like how we have in home also, where electricity comes, and one wire go to the controller, Kisan Ganga controller. So when I give the command through SMS, then current coming from the main wire, and then instruction from the controller come from the other wire. So there are, each valve will be having two wires, and you can get any automated valve in the market. There are different. I got from Flow. So you can see that here. So what happened that like when I give the command actually, so what happened that like first I have to open the valve definitely, so that like it motor get on. But my requirement is that like first open the valve, and then because otherwise valve will blast, right? It means pump will blast. So what happened that first I have to give the instruction to open the valve and then on the motor. So when I give the command, you can see that there is C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So I have 6, but they have given 8. So sometime if I want to manually maintain that, then I just gave fake one because I don't have 8th one. So it feel that like valve is open and then motor get automatically on. Otherwise, like if I want to open, so I have number, it sees one valve, second valve D, then third valve E, fourth valve, and so on and so forth. So this is how I give the command. So command pretty much it is easy. You can play with IVR system where you can call and then you can give that instruction. Another thing that is SMS. So this Kisan Ganga product has indirectly, if you see that it has chip, Airtel chip. So once I send the command through SMS, it open the valve. So it give the indication to the automated valve that open that, and then main current goes so that it will open actually. So this is how it works actually, and then it is working pretty good actually. So far so good. So this is what I wanted to cover. But if you have any question, another thing how it works, another thing, then definitely you can reach out to me. I have a practically, I'm also learning, but I know how to operate, and so far it is working perfectly fine. So thank you everyone for your time to see the Anagha automation product, how it is working. And so far I am very happy with the product, and thank you very much, and thank you everyone. I will be also putting one separate video a little bit more talking about electrical connection. It's not too much hard. If any electrician who has experience in wiring the home, they can pretty much wire by the direction from the Anagha automation. Thank you everyone, and happy farming. Thank you.